Spectabile. Remember we talked about Bougainvillea spectabilis? Okay, this specific epithet is similar. Just make sure that you know which one's which. Let me get this out of the way so nobody's thinking that this is a description. Okay. Alright. Sedum grows in these rosettes. Alright, you'll notice that these are little rosettes of foliage. Typically grown for foliage because for the most of the year that's the effect that you get. Alright, the rosettes grow from underground buds, alright, that are there underneath the soil surface. So each little rosette forms a portion of the plant. This is sort of a touch and feel plant. You want to feel this thing. It's very sort of rubbery, very soft. Alright, the foliage is typically sort of cupped in an upwards fashion. And so it's very you can feel that it's a succulent, no doubt. I mean, it just breaks like that, no problem. It's not very rigid, but it is very plasticky feeling. So pass that around, let everybody sort of feel that. Okay. And then obviously you see these flower structures. So flower stalks will be sent up. Sometimes be probably about twice as tall as the plant. The plant will typically only get to about 6 inches to a foot. All right, then the flower stalks are up maybe 6 inches to a foot taller than that. Stonecrop sedum, you typically see flowers that are pinks, almost to the red colors, some whites I believe, but typically those are the colors that you see in Stonecrop sedum. Alright, so if you're looking for a succulent for this area, this is probably one of the very best that we have. It comes back each year for us just fine. So feel the really rubbery foliage that are made in rosettes. When, especially when they're coming right out of from the buds, it's very a light blue-green color, and then becoming more of a dark green as it matures, to the point where after it begins to senesce, it becomes sort of a yellowish green.
Does it do well in the cold?
It doesn't actively grow in the cold, but it comes back for us each year.
It's like a herbaceous perennial.
Yeah, exactly.